Welcome back to Auto Info Master, where today we take you on an extraordinary journey through the most exclusive, luxurious, and powerful motorhomes of the future. We're talking about the top 3 2026 motorhomes that have redefined the concept of luxury on wheels, crafted not just for travel, but to express art, performance, and technology. These are the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome, and the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome. Let's dive deep into their breathtaking designs, ultra-premium interiors, groundbreaking performance, futuristic features, and sky-high prices that make them the most coveted land yachts of the decade. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is a fusion of track-ready performance with the opulence of an Italian villa on wheels. Its exterior design draws immediate attention, with the iconic Rosso Corsa red body, sculpted aerodynamic curves, and active aero flaps that deploy at highway speeds. The massive carbon fiber monocoque structure ensures lightweight strength, and the laser-cut front grille screams aggression and prestige. Every body panel is active. The roof panels slide to open panoramic skylights, the rear deck extends to form a patio, and side panels reveal embedded toolkits, lighting systems, and Ferrari-branded outdoor furniture. The low stance and rear diffuser bring out that supercar character, even in this large motorhome form. The interior is nothing short of a luxury suite from Florence. It opens via butterfly doors that glide upwards, revealing a full lounge wrapped in carbon fiber trims and Alcantara upholstery. The cockpit is inspired by Formula One, a yoke-style steering wheel, a massive 3D holographic heads-up display, and haptic feedback controls embedded directly into the driver's console. The lounge area features electronically reclining leather sofas with built-in climate control and massage functions. A floating center console doubles as a touchscreen media hub controlling the entertainment, navigation, and even espresso brewing. A hidden 8K roll-up display transforms the lounge into a personal cinema with immersive surround sound powered by Bang & Olufsen. The kitchen is entirely voice-activated, integrated with robotic arms, smart pantry systems, an auto-clean induction cooktop, and a climate-preserving food storage vault. The bathroom feels like a high-end spa, equipped with a rainfall steam shower, chromotherapy lighting, and full-length smart mirrors. The bedroom redefines comfort with a Ferrari-developed zero-gravity bed, ambient ceiling stars, scent diffuser systems, and projection walls that can simulate your favorite sceneries like the Tuscan Hills or Tokyo skyline. Performance is where the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome astonishes beyond expectation. It is powered by a hybrid twin-turbocharged V8 engine paired with dual electric motors. The combined output is a staggering 1,800 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.8 seconds, record-breaking for a motorhome of its size. It features active torque vectoring, adaptive suspension with magnetorheological dampers, and an AI-powered traction control system. The battery has a 250 kilowatt-hour capacity, providing up to 650 kilometers of range on electric-only mode. And yes, it has regenerative braking, solar augmentation, and fast charging support for global EV networks. The feature set includes Ferrari's proprietary Autopilot 3.0 system, biometric entry, AI-enabled fatigue detection, and full connectivity with Ferrari's satellite concierge service. Price: the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome starts at $3.6 million and can go up to $4.5 million with personalization, making it the most exclusive land yacht ever made. Only 99 units will be sold globally, and they are already booked by elite collectors and Ferrari's Formula One sponsors. The 2026 Bugatti Motorhome follows closely behind, blending hypercar speed and stealth jet aesthetics with unmatched innovation. Its design is absolutely breathtaking. The exterior is crafted entirely from aerospace-grade carbon fiber and titanium mesh. The signature C-shaped Bugatti curve runs across its sides, accentuated by dynamic lighting and pulsating animations. The rear fascia hosts an electronically lifting spoiler and retractable aerodynamic wings for high-speed stability. Front and rear bumpers integrate autonomous sensors and LiDAR arrays, giving the motorhome full self-driving capabilities. The roof is covered in smart solar tiles that continuously power auxiliary systems and charge the battery pack when idle. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a minimalist, hyper-futuristic command center. The cockpit features a curved glass control panel with Bugatti's virtual assistant embedded, offering AI-powered responses and real-time driving analytics. The driver and co-driver sit in carbon fiber performance seats upholstered in hand-stitched blue leather. The living area floats, literally, on active magnetic levitation supports that adjust based on the terrain to keep the cabin level and smooth. You'll find a panoramic OLED ceiling, retractable holographic tables, and rotating lounge chairs with biometric sensors for posture correction and personalized temperature control. The kitchen is unlike anything you've ever seen, a robotic island with modular trays that rise and fall, cook and serve with precision. There's even a built-in sommelier AI that selects wines from a 20-bottle motorized wine vault based on your mood. The bathroom offers an onyx-tiled wet room with UV self-cleaning, automatic towel dispensers, and a fragrance control system. The bedroom, located in the rear, is a smart cocoon with a sleep analyzer, white noise generators, and a responsive mattress that adjusts firmness based on your REM cycle. Underneath the futuristic skin, the Bugatti Motorhome is powered by a quad-motor electric powertrain with a combined output of 2,200 horsepower. It goes from 0 to 100 in 4.2 seconds and offers a top speed of 180 km per hour, governed for safety. The battery pack is a 280 kWh solid-state system capable of 700 km range and is equipped with ultra-fast wireless charging. Suspension is handled via a triple-chamber air system and predictive AI software that maps the road 500 meters ahead in real time. It's fully capable of off-road travel thanks to its advanced differential lock, reinforced bottom shields, and height-adjustable chassis. The features? Next level. Biometric voice commands, anti-theft drone surveillance, climate intelligence that adjusts based on your skin temperature and heart rate, and the Bugatti Digital Life Integration Suite that syncs with your home, office, and personal assistant devices. The price begins at $2.9 million, with bespoke options taking it beyond $3.6 million. Only 150 units are planned for production, and most are destined for Middle Eastern royal families, tech billionaires, and European heads of state. Finally, we have the 2026 Rolls-Royce Motorhome, a symphony of timeless British elegance and modern luxury. On the outside, the vehicle is adorned with Rolls-Royce's regal styling. A majestic front grille with illuminated Spirit of Ecstasy hood ornament greets you, and the sides are gracefully sculpted with brushed aluminum trims. The motorhome rolls on 26-inch chrome wheels, and its dual-tone body paint can be customized in 3,000-plus shades. LED matrix headlamps, automatic side steps, and starlit roof panels add a celestial aura when parked under the night sky. Enter through electronically gliding mahogany doors, and you step into a handcrafted realm. Rolls-Royce's legendary attention to detail is present in every stitch, every curve. The cabin features polished walnut veneers, cashmere roof lining, and hand-woven carpets. The living area offers two captain's chairs facing a marble-topped bar with a retractable champagne cooler and Lalique glassware. The seating doubles as recliners and sleeping pods with touch-sensitive panels controlling heat, ventilation, and massage settings. The kitchen continues the theme of royal elegance, with brass fixtures, hand-painted tiles, and hidden compartments that open to reveal Miele appliances. The bathroom feels like a spa retreat, offering a freestanding tub, gold-plated fixtures, and even a dressing room with a full vanity. The bedroom is where it truly feels like a Rolls-Royce palace. A king-sized bed floats on an illuminated platform, surrounded by blackout curtains, mood lighting, and a ceiling that simulates natural daylight cycles for perfect circadian rhythm sleep. Under the hood, or rather, under the entire floor, the Rolls-Royce Motorhome runs on a whisper-quiet all-electric platform. Dual motors generate 900 horsepower, optimized for smooth gliding over highways or countryside roads. The 220 kilowatt-hour battery provides 500+ km of range and supports inductive charging and solar trickle charge. Magic Carpet Ride 4.0 suspension ensures zero road noise, and a gyroscopic self-leveling system keeps the experience perfectly still no matter the terrain. There's also an autopilot system designed for scenic tours, complete with guided audio descriptions as you travel across landscapes. The feature list includes Rolls-Royce Connect, a personal concierge and itinerary planner, plus an integrated fragrance diffuser with signature scents. It has a hidden umbrella compartment, AI mood detection, and even a live watercolor painter bot that creates custom art based on your journey. The base price is a humble $1.8 million, with customization options going up to $2.5 million. Rolls-Royce has announced a limited run of 500 units for the global elite, with high demand from yacht owners, private island residents, and luxury hotel chains. To sum it all up, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is the ultimate expression of performance luxury, pushing boundaries in design and speed. The Bugatti Motorhome redefines what's technologically possible, blending hypercar DNA with futuristic living. And the Rolls-Royce Motorhome stands as a testament to timeless beauty and serene opulence. Each one is a masterpiece in its own right, built not for the masses, but for those who live to experience life at the highest echelon. These are not just motorhomes, they are moving works of art, performance machines, and dream palaces all in one. Which one would you choose if money was no object? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Infomaster for more jaw-dropping automotive experiences. Hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest content on future cars, concept designs, and elite motorhomes. Thank you for watching, and until next time, drive smart, live grand.